Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P25E5-77 indicates a malfunction in the variable valve timing control, specifically in the B system of the Honda CR-V 2023 and newer models. This code is triggered when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects a phase difference between the commanded position of the exhaust camshaft and its actual position. The VTC system adjusts the timing of the camshaft based on engine conditions to improve performance and efficiency. It is crucial for optimizing power output and fuel economy. When this discrepancy occurs, the PCM will store the DTC as a malfunction signal. This can lead to reduced engine performance and increased emissions, making timely diagnostics and repairs essential for maintaining vehicle functionality. The DTC P25E5-77 signifies a malfunction within the variable valve timing control VTC B system. The VTC is responsible for adjusting the timing on the intake and exhaust camshafts to improve engine performance, fuel efficiency, and emission control. The PCM monitors the phase control command, and when it determines that the actual position of the exhaust camshaft is out of range, it triggers this fault code. The PCM is located within the engine control unit and plays a vital role in regulating engine performance based on data received from various sensors. This specific issue could result from oil pressure problems or failures within components such as the VTC solenoid or the oil passages related to the VTC system. Several possible causes can trigger when the DTC P25E5 is triggered. Various symptoms may become apparent during vehicle operation. Drivers might experience poor engine performance, characterized by a lack of power during acceleration or an inability to maintain speed. Increased fuel consumption often accompanies performance issues, as the engine management system tries to compensate for the malfunction in the VTC system. Furthermore, rough idling or stalling could occur, particularly during low RPMs, as the engine struggles to maintain optimal timing under load conditions. Other potential symptoms include a check engine light and unusual engine noises, further indicating a malfunction in the VTC system. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P25E5, begin by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on mode without starting the engine. This action activates the onboard diagnostics system, allowing you to access the Honda Diagnostics System HDS testing functions. Once in the HDS menu, select the function labeled EXVTC, which relates specifically to the variable valve timing control system. It is essential to monitor the results presented by the HDS. If the results indicate a malfunction, this confirms that the failure condition is duplicated and warrants further diagnostics. A clear understanding of the HDS outputs is crucial, as they guide you in the next steps of the troubleshooting process. The second step involves conducting a test drive to replicate conditions that may trigger the DTC P25E5. During this test, drive the vehicle at a steady speed, ideally between 25 and 75 miles per hour, for around 10 minutes. This helps ensure the engine is operating under normal conditions to provide accurate data. While conducting the test drive, monitor the HDS to confirm that the XVTC status is on. This indicates that the VTC system is functioning as intended. Additionally, pay attention to the OBD status PGNFI to check for any reoccurrence of DTC P25E5-77 P25E5. This systematic approach aids in identifying whether the issue is intermittent or consistently present. After completing repairs related to DTC P25E5, it is vital to perform thorough verification to ensure that the malfunction has been resolved. First, use the HDS to verify that no DTCs are currently stored in the system. Conduct a vehicle test drive, replicating previous conditions to assess the overall performance of the engine and the VTC system. Observe if the engine operates smoothly without any symptoms of rough idling, stalling, or loss of power. Once satisfied with performance, clear any remaining DTCs from the system and conduct another check to confirm no codes reappear. This final verification process guarantees that the repairs have been successful and the vehicle operates optimally. Preventive maintenance is essential for ensuring the long-term functionality of the VTC system and avoiding issues like DTC P25E. Regular oil changes play a critical role in maintaining healthy oil pressure and lubrication within the engine components. Utilizing high-quality oil can prevent sludge buildup, which may block VTC oil passages. Additionally, frequently inspecting the oil quality can help identify contamination or degradation before it leads to significant engine issues. It is also beneficial to monitor the performance of the VTC system on a regular basis to catch any irregularities early on. By incorporating these preventive measures, you can mitigate the risk of DTC occurrences and enhance vehicle reliability. In conclusion, the DTC P25E5-77 indicates a malfunction in the variable valve timing control B system, crucial for optimizing your engine's performance. Proper diagnostics and a clear understanding of the components involved are essential for effective troubleshooting and repair. Identifying potential causes, such as low oil pressure or faulty solenoids, can streamline the process. Post-repair verification ensures the issue has been resolved, while preventive maintenance can significantly reduce future risks of similar faults. By adhering to these guidelines, you can maintain the longevity and efficiency of your Honda CR-V, while minimizing the chances of experiencing VTC-related disturbances. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.